If you're Christian, you know that Jesus is the reason for the season, and what better coloring book than to create a book, like a coloring book of Jesus' life. In this video, I'm going to teach you the easiest, the fastest way you can create one of these types of books. Let's get started. What you're looking at right now is the Nurie Creator. And this is a tool that I've been exploring, I've been using it, and I recommend this tool if you are planning to publish coloring books. This is what you need. So I went ahead and put a prompt, and the prompt is create a coloring page with Jesus talking to a small boy while they are sitting on the grass on a sunny day. I put that in, it generated these images right here, which I was very pleased with. If you want to go ahead and control the line thickness, you can go ahead and do so. All you have to do is purchase the Pro upgrade. If you want to go ahead and download one of these images, not a problem. It says download all images as PNG zip. So you can go ahead and download that onto your computer, no problem. Now I'm going to share with you why you want to publish one of these types of books. I went on Amazon and I found that the search results is 2,000 under the keywords Jesus coloring books for kids ages 4 to 8. And not only is the search results pretty good, I went ahead and clicked on my Katie Spy and I found that it's green across the board, as you can see here. The popularity, so therefore it's green, so it means it's high demand. A lot of books are performing well here. The potential, says the revenue potential of books under this keyword looks very good. And the competition says you can easily compete here for a first page ranking. I have also scrolled down and I have noticed that there are books here that are fairly new that are doing well. And I think they're like, for example, let's say this one right here. I went ahead and this is, let's see when this was published. Let's scroll all the way down. This was published July 5th of 2024. And its bestsellers rank is 99,000. This is fairly brand new. And these pages, as we can see here, they're not too complicated. They're pretty simple. And what's good and what's important is that the Nurie Creator can create pages like that. Let's go ahead and search for another type of page about Jesus. And let's go ahead and let's say Jesus, create a coloring page with Jesus standing on the grass, and there is a rainbow behind him. Okay, let's see what happens. And I'm still working on trying to find the best ways to speak to the AI so that it generates exactly the pages that I want for a book such as this one. And I'm going to go ahead. It's generating something now. It's going to take a couple seconds. A lot of people are using this software, so it can take a couple seconds. It says, all done, your coloring images are ready for creative fun. So now I am going to look here and I have some options. This is one of the things that I love about this, the Nurie Creator, is that you have options. I've used other software where it will create one image for you and it doesn't even allow you to, here you have options. Like for example, this one I would not choose. It doesn't even look like a rainbow, but I have this one over here all the way to the right that looks pretty decent. So all I would need to do, once I have the images here and I went ahead and downloaded all my images as a PNG and they're downloaded onto my computer, I want to go ahead and start creating a template. Where am I going to create this template for this book that I want to create? I'm going to create it on Canva. Let me show you how I do that. Here on Canva, I created a custom template and it's an 8 by 11 inches. Okay. I'm going to upload those, at least one coloring page so that you can see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and click on uploads and start uploading that file. Uploaded the file. I uploaded the file here on this page. Now I want to show you two things that you can do. Either you can stretch out this image like to cover the entire page, something like this, right? Or you can do the following. I'm going to go ahead and click on add a page. And then I'm going to click on elements, and on the search bar, I'm going to search for page border. I'm going to search for under where it says frames here. I'm going to see all. And let's say I'm going to choose this one right here. It appears to be like a double lined, and I'll show you what I'm going to do and why. And then let's say, okay, I'm going to center it there. And then I'm going to change the color around the frame. And then I'm going to add that picture of Jesus onto here inside this frame. I'm going to click on upload, click on the image. And there you have it. So that image is going to go inside. And now the actual like coloring page has a frame, and you could even make it smaller if you like. And then you can even add other things to this. For example, let's see, let's fix the page inside. Okay, perfect. So now you can add some text here. You can even add a, for instance, a Bible verse. How can you add a Bible verse? Let me show you. Click on Magic Write, and you are going to ask, provide a Bible verse about the children coming to Jesus. I'm going to click on Generate. And it's going to give me already here, Matthew 19:14, Jesus said that the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these. I'm going to go ahead and enter this, but of course, I'm going to remove the content that I do not want. Okay, I just want the Bible verse. I'm going to expand it and make sure I bring it down. Let me go ahead and remove the content that I don't need. And we have a Bible verse for this page. So let me just center it. Okay, there we go. And we can even remove the where it says states. And we can even do this. Bring it down and expand that. Oh, no. Let's move it here. Let's just leave it as it is. And we can even minimize the font and then even make it italics. So now we have a coloring page with a Bible verse, guys. And this is how it's done. And then all you have to do is continue to go to the Nurie Creator and continue to ask for different things. A coloring page with let's say, for example, with Noah building an ark. Let's just say it's Noah building an ark outside. Okay, create a coloring page with Noah building an ark. Okay, let's see what happens. I didn't give it a lot of details, but let's see what happens. I'm going to just click on generate images. Just make sure that when you do this, you try to give as many, like a detailed prompt so that you can get a detailed image of what you're looking for, which is really great. So now let's just see what happens here. What does it generate? All right. Okay, so here we have it. So, okay, it's exactly what we asked for. There are several. Again, there are options to choose from. So some of them are a little wonky, but some others are great, like this one right here. If you want to control and have a little bit more control of the image, update an image and download them, specifically like one each, you can go ahead and do so. All you have to do is purchase the Pro upgrade. All right, so now let's say I already downloaded that onto the computer. Let me go back to Canva. I'm going to go ahead and upload it here. While that's uploading onto the computer, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this image right here. The second page, I'm going to duplicate that page. Why? Now that I'm on this is going to be the third page. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete that image. Why? Because I want to plug in the Noah's Ark one. And then here, I'm going to delete this. I'm actually going to ask Magic Write to write a new Bible verse, to come up with a new Bible verse. Let me go ahead and add the Noah's Ark image. Clicking uploads. And there you have it. Just move it there. I have that image there. And now I'm going to click on the text. Click here where it says Magic Write. And then I'm going to create a custom prompt. Provide one Bible verse about Noah's Ark. And now we're going to click on generate. All right, perfect. So we have this already right here. And now because we already have the font, the size of the text that we want, all we have to do is just delete the unwanted text. And we have a Bible verse right under our image. It's that simple. You just have to continue to repeat this over and over again. You can do 100 pages. You can even break this down into 2 days. Like for example, one day you'll do 30 pages or 40 pages. The next day you can do 50 and so on and so forth, depending on how many pages you want to do. I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to know more about self-publishing, you want ideas on how to go ahead and design that book cover, maybe format the interior pages, go ahead and check out this playlist over here. I will see you there. God bless.